Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade on Bybit app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bybit app and already verified yourself as well. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bybit apps on the screen. So if you want to trade on Bybit app, then you can see there is two options just down below of this dashboard. First one is spot and another one is derivatives. So if you are a long-term trader, then just tap on the spot and you can long-term trade from here successfully. And if you are a intraday trader or swing trader, then just tap on the derivatives and you can just day trade from here successfully. So make sure you are in futures. And you can see just down below of this charts option, there is BTC 30 August 24. So if you tap on this one, just tap on this perpetual and you can select a crypto coin from here successfully. So let's say I want to trade BTC USDT, so let's tap on the BTC USDT, and now you can see just down below of this chart there is isolated. So if you are beginner, then make sure the cross must be in isolated so that you don't lose your all the amounts, and make sure your leverage must be lower. So let's say 5, I guess. Save. And now make sure you already have an fund on your futures. So if you don't have, then just tap on that plus icon which is at the right side of this USDT. So if you tap on this one, so you can see there is 3 options in here. So you can choose any of them and just load your fund in this futures. So let me close this one for now, and make sure you are in market rather than limit, conditional, case limit order, and so on. So make sure you select the market and you can manually enter the amount. Let's say 100 BTC for a demo, or you can also adjust your amount from here successfully. So you can see 25, 50%, so on. So once everything's done, you can also set up the stop loss or take profit as well. Just down below, just tap on that plus icon, and once everything's done, simply tap on the buy long or sell short, and yeah, you will be able to trade on Bybit app successfully. So basically this is how you can take a trade on Bybit app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.